Good Monday morning, everybody. Chris Allen with your first look forecast for this November 10th. It is going to start out to be a chilly day, but we've got some warmer temperatures headed our direction. A couple of warm days before things go way down over the next few days, and a lot of folks calling it, well, if you watch the network newscasts, of course, they're going crazy with the buzzwords, bombogenesis, polar vortex, oh. And I've had somebody ask me, is a polar vortex, can you see it coming? Does it look like a cloud? Okay. Polar vortex is always there, even in the middle of summer. It just retreats. We're only going to get a little pinch of that polar vortex, a little piece of that energy as we get into this week. It's November. It's going to get cold. How atypical is that? Well, let's put it into perspective. Temperatures this morning, mainly in the low to mid 30s, some upper 30s further south toward the Tennessee border. You're seeing the Kentucky Mesonet sites of 41 Scottsville, Russellville, 45 Burkesville as of 4:37 a.m. Central Time as I record the podcast. Here's Doppler Max HD. No rainfall, no precipitation anywhere close. There may be a little bit of patchy fog down around the Lake Cumberland area this morning. If you watch out for that, low visibility, but also some of that fog because temperatures could be close to freezing. You could find an icy spot on a bridge or overpass, but not a big deal. Here is the expanded view, 3-hour radar satellite showing the presence of high pressure, which has been dominant over our weather forecast over the course of the weekend. But we're starting to see some high clouds now beginning to stream in from our north and northwest. That's ahead of the frontal boundary that will be moving through over the next few days, bringing us the colder temperatures. Future max temperatures this morning showing that mid to upper 30s, low 40s. Today, warmer with a southerly flow in the mid to upper 60s. We're calling for a high of 68, showing 65 there, our in-house computer forecast model. For tonight, not near as cool. In fact, a mild 50, 51 degrees or so. But it's tomorrow when we see that advancing front, and you see the blue starting to move in about 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. That's when the temperatures will start to go down. And look at this. We get down into the 30s, some upper 20s. As we get into Tuesday night and early Wednesday morning, even colder after that. GFS 500 showing that little piece of the polar vortex to the north. We're not getting the polar vortex. It's not a thing. I mean, it's a thing, but it's not like a tornado or hurricane or a big monster storm like you've heard on the networks. This is a piece of energy that's there and circulates around the North Pole. We're getting a shot of that, a little pinch of it coming our direction. And as you can see, it stays cold throughout the rest of the work week, and then we'll get another reinforcing shot of that cold air Saturday into Sunday. You see it right there. Look up toward Winnipeg. Let me see, get my pointer here. Winnipeg, Moosonee, Minneapolis, Chicago. This is that really cold air, and it's going to start to move down. See that? Even more so into the Ohio Valley as we get into Monday and Tuesday of next week. It is really going to be cold around these parts. In fact, for the next 15, 16 days, really chilly around here. Future Max Predictor showing, even though we'll see a few high clouds today, high pressure still in control. The thicker clouds and maybe a little bit of light rain starts to show up tomorrow afternoon and evening across the area. 68 today, 50 tonight, 65 tomorrow for Veterans Day with a 50% chance of rain. Could end as a few wet snowflakes, not a big deal as the colder air comes in Tuesday evening. Cold after that though, 48 Wednesday, 38 for a high. Thursday, 39. Friday, lows in the 20s as you see there. Now Saturday and Sunday, that energy, some rain maybe or to light snow Saturday night into Sunday morning, then back to rain as we warm above freezing. But right now, too soon to say, not very high confidence on whether that is going to be snow that's going to be of any significance. Right now we're going to say no, not right now. But that could change. Stay here. Keep it up to date. Know the weather before it knows you. I'll see you live at 5:30 on AM Kentucky and streaming live to the WBKO app and WBKO.com. God bless and have yourselves a great day.